Okay guys, ever wanted a professional footer-style collection section with your own logo, certifications, and legal info? Well, this section brings it all together in one clean layout. Today we're adding this collection section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the section heading. There's a layout style option with 3 different layouts to choose from. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, you'll find the container and spacing settings. Things like page width, padding top and bottom for desktop, padding sides for desktop, and the same 3 options for mobile too. Adjust these based on how you want your section to feel on your store. Now let's move on to the logo and heading settings. First up is the logo, which is optional and falls back to text if you don't add one. I'm just adding a random logo here to show you how it works. Below that, you can update the subtitle text and change the heading too. Right after that, there's a certification and legal section, where you can add a certification image along with a legal disclaimer text you can fully customize. At the very bottom, there's a menu bar where you can add your own navigation links. All of this comes down to your own preference, so go ahead and customize each part based on your store's needs. Once you're done, just hit save and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.